Hello everyone. So today we will learn about preparation of alcohols. Okay. So preparation of alcohols first from alkene. So the first method for preparing alcohol from alkene is by acid catalyzed hydration. Okay. So I will not go in deep. So we will just start from the reaction. What we have to do here. So firstly we will take a unsymmetrical alkene. Let it be CH3, CH double bond, CH2. So this is unsymmetrical alkene. We can take symmetrical alkene also or simple alkene. Now what we will do? We will add H2O means water, so it has lone pair, and in the presence of H plus means acid. So what it will do? I will not explain the mechanism. I will tell you that how you can just do the reaction like general way. Okay. Now what it will work on Markovnikov rule, but everywhere Markovnikov rule is not applicable. Sometimes Markovnikov rule also fails, and anti-Markovnikov rules also fails in some time when there is a rearrangement of carbocation. So whenever in BitSat or JEE you will get some question, so they will not ask this reaction because it is very simple. Just you have to just do the substitute addition. So this is generally addition reaction. Okay. So what we will do? So we will just do Markovnikov rule. So according to Markovnikov rule, if we have taken H2O, so we can write it as H plus OH minus. So according to Markovnikov, the addendum means the nucleophile, will get to that carbon which has the lowest number of hydrogen. So what it will do? CH3, CH, then this OH will go on this carbon and H will go on this carbon. So CH3. So you will get your product. Okay. So this, I'm not explaining the whole thing. I'm not explaining the mechanism. This is just a summary. Okay. Now second, by hydroboration oxidation. So hydroboration means boration. So here we will use B2H6. So this is dimer of BS3, we can say. So here boron's octet is not completed. Okay. So here we use H2O2 and THF also. So which is tetrahydrofuran, like this. Okay, tetrahydrofuran, but in the book it is not given. It is given H2O2. So we will not take tetrahydrofuran, but in another exams like JEE and all, so you have to take they will give tetrahydrofuran also because it has lone pair, so it will donate it to BS3. Okay. So but we will not take in case. And this reaction works on anti-Marconi rule. Okay. So you have to just, for exams or boards, you can just use anti-Markovnikov and add it. So what you will do, you will also take alkene, C double bond C, and what you will do, you will just add. So here it is H2O2. So HOH, you can just simply in a raw manner you can add H plus OH. Now it is anti-Markovnikov, so addendum will go on with that carbon which have higher number of hydrogen. So it will become CH2, will be CH3, CH2 OH. So it will be a 1 degree alcohol. But in hydroboration oxidation, the alcohol's yield is maximum. Like for one uh, alkene, you will get like 6 alcohols. Okay, so there is a ratio of 1 is to 6. So if you will take 1 mole of alkene, then you will get 6 moles of alcohol. So yield is very excellent. Okay, now we will talk about from carbonyl compounds, how you can get from carbonyl compounds. Third, from carbonyl compounds. Okay, now from carbonyl. So what are carbonyl compounds? So carbonyl compounds like this. C double bond O. So here you can attach anything. If you will attach RR, then it will become ketone, and if you will attach HH or HR, then it will be a aldehyde. So if we take like this, now from carbonyl compounds we can do like by reduction also, because reduction of aldehyde and ketone will give you alcohol. Okay, now you have to remember that aldehyde on reduction gives 1 degree alcohol, ketone on reduction gives 2 degree alcohol, and carboxylic acid on reduction also give 1 degree alcohol. Okay, like so what are the reducing agent that will, so here reducing agent are LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride, NaBH4, sodium borohydride, and platinum and nickel. So this is Raney nickel in the presence. So why we are taking this, because these metals, when you will learn surface chemistry, they absorb hydrogen on their surface, so they act as a catalyst, they act as a hydrogen provider. Here LiLH4 provides hydrogen, like this also provides hydrogen, NaBH4 PD, and with hydrogen, so they have hydrogen. So we write platinum like H2 plus Pt. So here Pt is catalyst. Okay, so now we will do some reactions. So what we will do, so let's take one example, like if we take any aldehyde like this, so it will be RCHO. So we can write it as RC double bond O H. Okay, so if we will react it with LiAlH4, so what it will happen, so what will happen, so it will provide hydrogen to it. So I am just not explaining the mechanism, it is just, I am just giving the general way. So it will produce hydrogen, so what it will do, it will give hydrogen to this oxygen, so it will become RCOH, and this hydrogen will, this carbon will also get one hydrogen more, so it will become RCH2OH. So you see that it becomes a 1 degree alcohol by aldehyde. But in Grignard reagent there is some different thing. So in MCQ they can ask that on reduction of aldehyde by like LiLH4, what type of alcohol you get. So 1 degree, 2 degree, so you will take on 1 degree. Now if we will talk about ketone, so RC double bond O, so what you will get, so here if you take NaBH4 or H2 plus catalyst, so catalyst will be palladium nickel catalyst, so what it will transfer hydrogen, so it will become RCOH, RDS. Okay, so it will produce 2 degree alcohol. Now we take carboxylic acid, RCOH, so it will provide hydrogen, so we can write like RC double bond OH. So when we will write like NaBH4, if we take NaBH4, so it will provide hydrogen, so it will become like RCOH, and this will become OH2, so this become water. So water is a very good leaving group, so it will leave here, so it will leave. Okay, and it will take more hydrogen and will become like RCH2OH. Okay, but here if we take about like talk about this NaBH4 and LiAlH4, in case of this RCOH, carboxylic acid, so these are very expensive agents, reducing agent. So what we do, so I think we have studied in, like you have studied in class 10th, that esterification. So what we will do in this, so we will take RCOH and add some R-OH, R- from any alkyl group with alcohol like ethanol and all. So what we will do, so it will become an ester, RCOOR-. Okay, an ester. Now we will add H2 plus catalyst. So this catalyst is very like not expensive, so we can add catalyst. Now we will get RCH2OH plus R-OH. Okay, now by Grignard reagent, so Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound. organometallic compound. Let's take an example, CH3 MgCl. So if we talk about electronegativity and electropositivity, so this will be more electronegative and this will be more electropositive because it is alkali metal. Okay, so if we talk about, if we take a special case, HCHO. So HCHO is methanol or formaldehyde. Okay, so if we talk about a reaction, so it will be RMgX. So let's do the mechanism here. So we can write HC double bond O H. So if we take RMgX, so this will be R minus, negative charge, sorry for minus, it is negative charge, plus. So here the bond will shift here like this, so it will be minus and this will be plus. Okay, so this MgX will go on this side, so it will become like HC, and R will come on this side, so HCr, and OMgX H. Now if we will add water, H2O to it, then H plus will remove this part, MgX and OH, and it will become like MgOHX plus R, and it will be like CHOH. So it will be like RCH2 OH. So it will be like 1 degree alcohol. So here methanol will produce 1 degree alcohol. Methanol will produce 1 degree alcohol. They can ask an exam. Now we will talk about aldehyde, other aldehydes like CH3CHO or like RCHO other than methanol. So they will produce 2 degree alcohol. And if we talk about ketones, they will produce 3 degree alcohol. Okay, like this only you have to do the reaction. You will like do the cleavage here, R minus plus. So this here you will shift the negative charge here and positive charge here, and you will just, so this is an addition reaction. Okay, so they can ask that what type of reaction it is, so it is addition reaction. Now what we will do, we can take other examples like in case of ketone we can take RC double bond R, so it will produce 3 degree only, 3 degree alcohol. So you have to learn this. Thank you.